In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best rough country discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser. And right here, you have to search for rough country discount promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called Simply Codes. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So if you want, for example, to get this 10% discount of store-wide, all you need to do right here is just select this button where it says view code. And this is our promo code right here. So you can simply copy the promo code from this button and you can apply this one on your next order so that you can get a 10% discount. Also going back to the main search right here, we have this website as well, which is called Withrift. And right here on this website, as you can see, we have a list with other promo codes and we can use these ones to get some discount as well. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this 15% discount of store-wide right here. All you need to do is just select this button where it says copy code. And this is our promo code right here. So you can simply select and copy this promo code and you can apply this one on your next order so that you can get a 15% discount. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.